Well, it looks like it's the first severe thunderstorm of the year. Perfect, because that's how I charge my Flexvolt batteries. And after I'm done charging these batteries, we're gonna slice, we're gonna dice, we're gonna use and abuse. And we'll talk about all the specs. But if you excuse me, I gotta get some juice in this bad boy. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button. Just a couple more seconds and we gotta have the correct voltage. Yep, I think we're right where we need to be. Nope. Don't worry, I'm alright. But we do have the power. Now I know what you're thinking, but this is not the DCS389. This is Dewalt's newest recip saw. It has the power detect technology, and it is 19% more powerful than the previous model. And once this model becomes available, I'll put a link in the description below for you. But today we're going to put it through the test. We're going to use and abuse, slice and dice. We're going to go through wood with metal. We're going to go through steel. We're going to go through all kind of stuff. We're going to see how it performs. However, before we do that, let's talk about what comes in the kit. So when you buy this, you're going to get the soft case. You'll also get that sexy Flexvolt battery. It's the 9AH, not the 6, the 9. You'll also get Dewalt's newest 6 amp charger with this. Not only that, you'll also get this really small blade. So cute. Alright, let's talk specs real quick. 0 to 3000 SPM, that's strokes per minute. You got a 1/8 of an inch stroke length on this. You also have a variable speed trigger that works real nice like. And when I say that, I mean it. You can go very slow or very fast. The weight for the tool, you're looking at about 7.5 pounds. That's the tool only. With the battery, you're probably looking around 9 or 10. But the build quality, oh baby, it is built magnifico. Super heavy duty build, and you got that heavy duty rubber overmold that's really going to help prevent that vibration heading through your hands. Not to mention the 1874 unit watts heading out of this bad boy. But we're going to put it through the test. Right now we're going to throw a bunch of framing nails right in this treated 4x6 piece of lumber, and we're going to cut through it. But while I do this, it would be greatly appreciated if you could smash that like button. Alright, we got a whole bunch of those in there. Let's cut it. Let's see what it does. Here we go. Oh baby, that thing is super freaking powerful. There is no bog down at all. With that larger battery on there, you're gonna get it done. Sliced and diced through all those nails, no issues. Let's move it over to a piece of the 4x6 without nails and see what it does. So if you're doing demolition or whatever, you know. Yeah, I know, my sawhorses were moving the entire time.
Don't judge me.
Let's move it along. Now the blade release lever, we're going to change these blades out to go with the metal cuts, but guess what? This thing is super easy to get the blades out and then put back in. All you got to do is pull up on that, releases, and then let go, and it locks again. So I really like this. Everything on this tool is built very well. Just using this the last couple days and even just checking it out, you can just tell the quality, which I'm really happy about. And you get the LED light. Let's slice and dice through some metal. So we got this tube right here. We're going to cut through. It's a little under 1/4 of an inch. We're going to see what it does. And that was fun. Let's move it to the 1/4 inch angle iron. Good stuff. Now I do want to point something out to you. Even though you would not be using it on steel, you would probably use the orbital action on wood, or if you're doing demolition. This saw does not have that option. I'm not sure if that's a copyright thing, or if they just can't add it, or if they just don't want to add it. But I will tell you that even without it, when you're cutting down through that wood, there is no issue at all with the power and the preciseness of this saw. It is a really, really powerful tool. That said, it might be a deciding factor for you. So let me know in the comment section what you think. Is that a big deal to you that it doesn't have the orbital, or is it a huge deal to you that it does not have the orbital? Now, as for the vibration, again, that rubber overmold really does help mitigate that, and you don't really feel it in your hands all that much. I even think that it's pretty quiet for a recip saw. I was waiting for this thing to start screaming all over the place, but it's not. It's an actually half decent sounding recip that's not going to deafen you. You do have the pivoting shoe, but you can't adjust the depth on it. That's kind of a bummer, but that's really one of my only gripes about the entire saw. It feels great in the hands. It is super powerful with those batteries. It's just an all-around awesome tool. So definitely check this out if you get a chance. I think you'll be really, really happy with it. Well done, Dewalt. Now I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Do you like the saw? Do you not like the saw? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? It would be great to hear your feedback. If you could smash that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you like new tools coming to the channel, well, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of those. I appreciate you stopping by. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.